Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do a reorganizing, decluttering and redecorating my room video. It took actually a long time, many days, and that's why on some days I still have long hair and now I have short hair, so do not wonder. But yeah, enjoy the video and yeah, let's just get started. First day of summer break, and guess what? I'm already decluttering all my school stuff because 9th grade is over, this school year is over, and I gotta declutter everything. So I did that. My desk was a complete mess and I really needed to clean it up, so I did that and I reorganized some things, and I also reorganized my drawers, and just to be more motivated to be at my desk and work on there after all online school and after the school year. So yeah. I didn't know what to do with this acrylic organizer because I have my makeup in there, but now I have my makeup desk drawer, so I put my makeup in there. But I thought, why not put my nail polishes in there, because it's way easier to see which color I would want. And I did that, but they didn't all fit in there, so I needed to figure out a way how they could fit in there. And in the end, it was really satisfying. Decided to reorganize my whole room, so I moved my bed into the corner, and I did that just, sometimes you just need to change some things to feel more motivated or happier in a way. So I did that with my bed, and I moved it there into the corner so that I could put my desk right beside my bed. So I did that with my desk. It was a little more tricky because like the top part of my desk is not screwed into the drawers, so that was a little tricky, but I did that also with my dad. He helped me out and it worked out well, and it looks so good. So I moved some other furniture next to my desk, how you can see like my shelf. And then I just redecorated it, and I mixed up the decoration quite a lot just to see which one I like more. So I did that, and in the end I found out a way which one I like more. And then the pictures above my bed, I took them down just to put in another place in my room where I want them to be. Then I wanted to make like a fairy lights wall. So these were all like just one fairy light string, not like one hole with just one cord, but it still looks really, really cool, and I like how it turned out. So I wanted to put my pictures on the wall, so I measured some things just to be sure that it's not like crooked if I hang it up. And I did that, and then I just took a hammer and a needle and, hammered it into the wall so I could hang my picture. My friend made this painting for me for my birthday. I'm sorry for the noise in the background, but she does amazing art, and you can check out her Instagram account. I still need to ask her if that's okay, but I will leave the account here on the screen. Go follow her. She does such amazing art, and she drew me literally. Like, do you see this? Oh my god, it's so good. So I'm gonna frame it, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna mark where I'm gonna put it up, probably like here. So then I took some pictures for my Polaroid wall and stuck them on the wall. And I know they're not Polaroids, but I still call it a Polaroid wall. I got printed out for my picture wall, and I'm just putting these pictures up on the wall. You will see. So I ran into one problem. So don't do it like me and just stick your pictures on there. Maybe measure out before if they all fit like that, because I wanted to put up 4 and they didn't fit like that if it would be in the center. So I needed to move everything to the left, and then I needed to decide how I want my pictures to be like near the lightning bolt or just matched up with the other pictures. So I matched them up with the other pictures and just put it under it, and then I just completed the next row like on the top. That's the final result, and it looks so good. Maybe a little crooked, but it still looks really good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below the first thing you did on the first day of summer break. And yeah, leave that in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. I mean, it would be cool, it would be nice. And click the bell if you can't remember that I upload every single Saturday. And thank you so much for watching this video. I love you. Bye.